Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard powder. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, which typically include cornstarch, powdered sugar, and a touch of vanilla. Accuracy is key, so measure everything carefully. Making your own custard powder is surprisingly simple and allows you to control the quality and flavor. It's a fantastic base for many desserts, offering a smooth, creamy texture every time. Now let's dive into the specifics. You'll want to combine 1 cup of cornstarch with about half a cup of powdered sugar in a bowl. Don't forget to add a small pinch of fine salt, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, as this really helps to bring out the sweetness. For that classic custard flavor, incorporate 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder. If you don't have vanilla powder, a few drops of vanilla extract can work, but ensure it's fully dry before storage. Once you have all your dry ingredients measured, it's crucial to sift them together. This step ensures there are no lumps and that all components are evenly distributed, giving you a perfectly smooth custard every time. After sifting, transfer your homemade custard powder into an airtight container. Proper storage is vital. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from any moisture or direct sunlight, to maintain its freshness for several months. To use your freshly made custard powder, simply whisk about 2 tablespoons with a small amount of cold milk to form a smooth paste. Then, gradually add this mixture to a cup of simmering milk, stirring continuously until it thickens to your desired consistency. It's perfect for pies, tarts, or just a comforting bowl on its own. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including that Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Enjoy your delicious homemade custard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.